Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm your host, Sophia. Today I'm going to make a tasty and spicy crab fry. We are going to a Chinese supermarket to get live crabs and fish. It's about an hour drive from my house. We are here. It took just 1 hour. They have everything from fruits and vegetables, meats, bakery goods, groceries, pots and pans, and even furniture. Hope they have crabs today. I'm going to get Dungeness crabs, which are meaty and tasty. These are live shrimps. I bought 2 Dungeness crabs and some fish. Okay, I'm almost home. Can't wait to make this tasty recipe. My husband is going to clean them for me. Just leave them under the hot running water for a couple of minutes.
So, got a butter knife.
I'll show it here. You have to take
We're going to put it right there, just lift up.
Just lift up. And just pull the top. That's it.
Yep.
Here you go.
And all this is trash. I don't know if you can eat it, but we won't. These things, again, we don't know, but we won't eat it.
Yeah.
These are the gills. Yeah. They're going to come off. You just pull them off. They just pull right out.
Yeah. Okay, discard that.
There's nothing in there. Right here.
Yeah.
Just a few more mouth parts, a few more gills. All the meat's going to be underneath the shell, so you don't have to worry. See some membraney stuff. We're not going to eat that. Okay, cold water, scraping off the furry parts on his legs.
Always use the cold water.
Yeah, so we don't cook. You don't need a sharp knife. This butter knife is fine. So you can see on this side, yeah, the fur, hair, whatever it is gone.
Now I'm going to rinse the crabs under cold running water with salt. Always clean seafood with salt or white vinegar. Since crabs are bottom feeders, I clean them thoroughly. Finally, clean the sink with salt and soap so that your kitchen won't smell like a fish market, or you can substitute with white vinegar. Grind all the ingredients. 2½ tablespoons of black peppercorn, 1/2 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 tablespoons of freshly shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1½ tablespoons of chopped ginger root, 1/2 chopped onion, and 1/2 chopped tomato. Add all the ingredients in a food processor: black peppercorn, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, ginger, garlic, onion, and tomatoes, and grind them into a smooth paste. Add shredded coconut and grind it. Into that, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and salt to taste. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. If you want, you can make this paste and leave it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days, or freeze it up to a month. You also need 1/2 chopped onion and 1/2 chopped tomato. These are the tempering ingredients: 1 stem of curry leaves, 1/8 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1/8 teaspoon of fennel seeds. In a big pot, add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using grapeseed oil today. Over high heat. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds and wait till they split. And add all the tempering ingredients one by one and reduce the heat to medium. Add chopped onion and fry till it turns brown. And add the tomato and fry it for a minute or two. Add ground masala and fry on medium-low till the oil releases. Add crabs and let all the masalas get well incorporated. Add 1/4 cup of water and mix it well. Cover it and cook on medium till the crabs change color. You can see the color has changed. Looks like it is done. Mix it well. Finally, garnish it with 1 cup of chopped cilantro and turn the stove off. Let it stand for 5 minutes before you serve. It goes very well with plain rice. It came out very well. It smells so great. Try it today and let me know what you think. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.